So guys, what we have here is BTC USD. So before we get started, make sure you click on that subscribe button if you've not subscribed yet. Make your comment. I would love to watch out for it. Now let's see this full trend on this our BTC USD. First of all, you can see the trend, which is a bearish move, right? Our price is on a bearish move, that is on the long trend. Now let's see it on the short trend. We clearly can see that this we are kind of having like a range market move, right? We can see that this price has been coming to hit this level multiple times, right? And we can take this down level. So we will take this up level as a resistance and the down as a support level on BTC USD, right? Now we would want to see where this price will be moving for the day, right? We kind of had a bearish move on the 31st. Our BTC to our USD dropped from about 20,694 to about 20,400 bits. So that's bearish move, right? So what movement do you expect to be made on this BTC? I personally still see it will drop further down to a level of, let's hit about 20,000. Let's hit to a level of 20,000 though. So we are currently at 20,400 on BTC USD. So we would be expecting this movement to actually drop to a level of 20,000, right? So maybe by that time it should have hit our 10 period moving average, because when you look at this movement, it seems this price wants to start giving us like a bullish move. But once you take a look at our USD index, right? Our USD shows you know try to let us understand what the USD itself is saying. So once you see a bullish move, a spike up on this our USD index, we tend to see a bearish move on this BTC. But once this USD give us that bearish, then we would see once we would see a bullish move on BTC. So once you take a look at this USD index, we would want to be going bullish on our USD index, right? I'll do analysis on our DXY, which is USD index. So just watch it out and so you understand the movement. So that is it. We'll be expecting a bullish move on our USD. So as we'll be going bullish on our USD, then be expecting a bearish move on BTC. So this was one of the reasons why I still said, since we are currently trading at a level of 20,400, I still believe this BTC will drop to a level of 20,000 itself. So just watch out for that movement, right? Before maybe it will continue to go bullish or it will continue to go bearish. That is, we don't know. That's how the price will play out, but we would want to see it drop to a level of 20,000. That should now take us to a 4-hour time frame. So what does this 4-hour time frame actually says? First of all, you can see that this is a downward trend, right? We saw this price once came to this level, right? We saw it once came to this level, then we saw this drop down to this level, right? Price has rose up to this level again. What do we see it moving to now? We are seeing it dropping down to this same level again, right? So the next level we would expect this price drop to is this level here, which is a level of about 20,000. So, but we are seeing kind of like a lower lows and lower highs. We can take this as lower lows. Here comes the lower highs, right? You can see this as the lower lows. Here comes the lower highs on BTC, right? Now another lower lows, and we can take here as the lower highs. Of course, the next movement we'll be expecting is another lower lows. Maybe uh once a lower highs has been made or a pullback has been made finished, because I still see this as kind of like a lower highs, a pullback. Once this movement has been made, then you can enter to short this position straight down to a level of 20,000. So BTC USD will still expect it to drop to a level down to 20,000. So just watch out for it. Secondly, is that this price is below our 10 period moving average. So since this price is below the 10 period moving average, then it is a solid position. You see before, previously it was above this moving average and we actually went long. But clearly we can see this movement itself now. It is below the 10 period moving average. So that is an indication that we will be shorting. We would want to short it straight down to a level of 20,000. So watch out for it. BTC USD, we are still on a bearish move.